Minting. Congratulations! You're finally at the last stretch of making your sale. For the minting process, OpenSea does what is called lazy minting. Therefore, your items listed for sale will remain unminted, not in the blockchain, until someone purchases it from you. When putting up your works for sale, now's the time to determine your price. Prices range from 0 to hundreds of thousands worth of cryptocurrency. But because we're just starting out, we recommend that you start at a reasonable price, both for you and the potential buyers. In this case, you have to consider your value as an artist, as well as the current market situation. It can also depend on what your project is aiming for. But if you were looking for a good price to start with, we recommend pricing your works at a range between 0.0015 Ethereum to 0.015 Ethereum. But you can also do further market research to determine the best pricing for your work. This officially wraps up this series. We want to congratulate you for making it to the end of this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed this short journey as much as we did while making it for you. If you liked this series and found it educational and useful, we would appreciate it if you could share it with your friends whom you know will benefit from it. We once again want to remind you that this is not the only right way to get into NFT projects, but merely a simplified tutorial to get started. Don't forget to leave a like down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you haven't joined our Discord server yet, what are you waiting for? Link will be found in the description below. This has been Lonely AstroBears Space Agency, and we'll see you next time. To the moon!